Hello friends, welcome to our channel InhouseERP. So today in this video I will let you know how to use alignment section under Home tab in Excel. So it is very useful section in our routine work. So let's come in practical. This is alignment section. It is next to font section, Home tab, and this is alignment section. In my previous video I made video on font section. So let's come. This is top alignment, this is middle, bottom, this is left alignment, center, and right alignment. I will apply all these alignments on our written data. So this is indent, decrease indent, increase indent, and this is text orientation, and this merge and center. It make two cells data into one cell and merge the content of two cells. Means this is wrap text, means if we written data in a cell and it is hidden because the length of text is big, so when you click on wrap text it make multiple lines. So let's come in practical. Serial number, name, address, contact number. Because I know that we learn practically doing practical is good. It make our efficient learning. Contact number, so just give this table a border. Make this border black in color. So first we come on top, middle and bottom alignment. We select on top alignment to make or shift the cell content to top. This is middle and bottom. Because we increase the size of first row. Look at this. Now we come on left, middle or right alignment. See left alignment, middle or this right alignment. So we make it left alignment. Now this is orientation of text. This make our text in vertical position or in clockwise, anti-clockwise. This is, see, this is vertical. Means simple, it shift the positions of the text. So I am going to apply in only first row. This is vertical. So more you practice, more you learn. So now friends, we come on increase indent. Increase indent means move your content further from your cell border. Look at this. It shift to, if you increase the indent from your cell border, it goes further, and decrease, then it return to the cell border. This is yes. Decrease, come to the cell border. This is increase or decrease indent. Now I will tell you regarding wrap text. You see in name column Pavan Kumar, the only visible text is KUM. So when you click on wrap text, it make multiple rows of a cell, you see, to see the data, to make the data visible. Okay, so in last we come on merge and center function. So when I click on merge and center, it merge the data of two cells but delete the data of second cell as you see the message. And make the content center. Now this is merge and across, but do not make the content center. Only combine the data of two cells and delete the data of second cell. You see, India is gone when you merge the data. Last is unmerged cell. This make the cells separate, but second cell data will never come. So friends, in this video we learn about alignment section of under home tab. So thanks for watching this video. In my next video I will let you know more useful content. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and keep support us. Thank you.